I'm Jimmy Chang, and we're here to talk about probability sets in math. Now, when it comes to probability, they use certain models depending on what you're working with, and some of the most common probability sets involve that, for example, of dice or coins, and we'll talk about how you can set those up, and then we'll kind of go from there. Now, suppose you have a coin, and a coin has two sides, heads and tails. So a probability set associated with a coin would be H for heads and T for tails. So what that allows you to do is there's two possibilities, heads or tails. So if you flip a coin and you want to find out the probability of getting heads, well, I only see heads once and it's out of two possibilities, so it's going to be 1/2. Now, probability of tails is the same idea because it's only one T out of two possibilities. Now, that's just one example of a probability set. Now, suppose you want to roll a die and you want to figure out the various probabilities there. Now, one die, a typical die, as you know, is 6 sides. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now, suppose you want to find the probability of rolling a 1. As you might imagine, there's only one 1 here out of 6 possibilities, so it would be 1/6. Now, you can do this for the other numbers as well because each side only has one unique number, so the probability of rolling a 3 is also going to be 1/6. Now, there's other probability sets, of course. If you have 2 dice, it changes things completely, or if you're working with cards, you're going to have a larger probability set. But what you want to think about is, depending on the set you're working with, you want to write down all the possibilities there are, and then you'll be able to form probabilities from there. So, I'm Jimmy Chang, and that's a brief discussion on probability sets in math.